Well, my name is Thomas Stendal. I'm the managing director of Loval. We have basically two different types of products. One is based on heating, tubular heating elements, and the other one is brazed plate heat exchangers. We decided to automate our production for several reasons. We see that the market is growing and the volumes will be very big in the future. Another reason is that the products themselves are relatively heavy, so from an ergonomical perspective it's good to have machines doing the heavy lifting instead of people. Of course, we want to make it modern as well. It also enables us to produce much more effectively, cost effectively. It reduces the work in progress that we have, and thereby, of course, the stock levels can come down, which is a saving. So for us, it's a very important investment. This line changed everything because we had done it manually before, and now machines and robots are doing this part of the production. So it's a total change for us. Of course, it's a good change. It's we see very many benefits with this line. The line takes the heat exchangers from the press line, assembles them on a pallet. After the pallet has been to the furnace, the same line again disassembles the heat exchangers from the pallet onto the next production step. We chose Etteplan for this line because we have some previous experience with Etteplan. Etteplan has a good reputation. When we did the pre-engineering for this line, Etteplan was closely involved and did a very good job planning and engineering this line. So as a whole, this was the best solution for us. They had good proposals for us and sounded like they know what they are talking about. And they convinced us that their solution was the best for this application. The cooperation between Loval and Etteplan was very good. It was very constructive discussions, relatively fast. Any problems that we had, we worked out together. It was based on close cooperation. And all the problems were put on the table and were not hidden, but openly discussed, and then we solved them. It's easy to get help and also physically get the help here if there is an issue that needs to be solved. Having the supplier close by was very important and a very good thing for us. I can recommend Etteplan to any customer, any production facility that needs an automated line, to develop it together and to build it also. They have done a very good job for us in Loval.